Hey everybody, Mark here at Timberline Barns. Coming at you today to show you our 3D builder online. Some of the features that it has, the simplicity that you have using either your desktop, laptop, smartphone, tablet, whatever is convenient for you. Okay, so with that in mind, we want to go to timberlinebarns.com, which is our website. Once you get on our landing page here, you'll see the 3D builder button up here in the top right corner. Click on that. Immediately, that'll take you into the 3D builder. Okay. And as soon as it loads up, put in your zip code. Let's go ahead and do the website right there. And then what's nice there is that'll immediately give you our complete rundown. Basically, it'll show you the low wall barn, but on the right-hand side, you'll notice all the different styles that we offer here at Timberline Barns. Okay? So today, we're going to go ahead and use the lofted barn with 2 windows, probably one of our most popular styles for sure. And we want to do it in the painted. We want to do the LP Smart Side because I do want paint. Nice with the LP, phenomenal engineered wood product, 50-year manufacturer's warranty. This, of course, comes with our metal roof, which is standard. And then, of course, you get to choose your own paint color, so that's kind of nice as well. So with that in mind, we're going to go with this. And, 10 by 16, I think I need to go a little bit bigger than that. A lot of stuff that I need to put in there. So go down your little option list here, and you're going to see select size. Again, drop down, let's go by 12 by 20, okay. Immediately the builder will give you that. They'll update up here the new pricing for the 12 by 20 style building, okay. If you want to add any options, another door on the other side of the building, you just kind of flip it around here and you can kind of pick and choose where you want to add things. Single door, windows, definitely want to put a ridge vent on, so one extra ventilation. And let's go ahead and do tar paper as well, okay. Now, colors, this is fun. Let's see, I want to go with Leola Almond, so I want to change the whole look because that's similar to the siding on my home. And we've got down here, we've got the white trim, that's perfectly fine. But on the roof, I want to change that. Let's see what brown looks like, Not too bad. Okay, so there we have it. So I've got my brown roof, my Leola Almond, and then I've got the white trim throughout the building. Then on flooring and interiors, if I want to make any changes here, you can do that. Nice thing too on the interior, gives you a blowout of the building, shows you the loft lengths and the sizes, also shows you the 16-inch on center, and then of course the layout of the building from that perspective. If I want to add a workbench or shelving, definitely want to put a loft ladder in there, and I think we're good. Okay, so now I go over here to your estimate, gives you a complete estimate. Okay, runs down the complete building line by line as to what you've chosen for this particular design. And then at the bottom here, we'll give you a quick estimate. You have one or two choices. You can either email the link to you if you just want to do some more shopping online and get some more different styles of buildings, different color options and things. Or if you want to go ahead and purchase online with our e-commerce site, go right ahead. Just hit the checkout button. We accept all kinds of debit, credit cards, major credit cards that is. And I'll be more happy to help you out with that as well. In the meantime, this will immediately shoot you a link that will have all of your design sent to your email that you input into the tool. It'll give you, if there's a dealer that's close by, we'll assign that to that particular dealer. You're more than welcome to contact them. Or feel free to reach us here at the office anytime with any other additional questions. But that's pretty much it. It's really a neat little tool to help you design the shed or the building or the garage, the cabin that you're really looking for. So any questions, let us know. Otherwise, hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for shopping at Timberline Barns.